Hi guys, Sensible Steve here from SK Camping in South Godstone. Today we're going to show you how to fold up a pop-up tent. Today we are showing you the Coleman Galliano 4 pop-up tent. This is new for this year, and I'm just going to prove that you don't have to be a pyrotechnic to actually fold one of these up. You just got to be a little bit patient and just follow some simple rules. So, as you can see, all pop-up tents are round. Not something you'd go backpacking necessarily with because it's quite wide. You'll end up like a teenage Ninja Turtle flying off into the sky if you do have this strapped to your back. But you know, it's okay for festivals. Very quick, very simple. Do this before you've had a few beers and you'll be sorted. The strap comes off like this. Now, this is going to want to spring open, okay? Just watch it slowly, how it opens out. It's twisted in the middle, and you're gonna let it go out, okay? This particular model does have a rain screen. Inside, you do have a mesh panel here, and it's quite big inside. It is single skin, so just be aware of a little bit of condensation with all pop-up tents. This is actually quite a good one, quite like this one from Coleman. Gives you quite a nice size, good enough for an airbed in there. And there is a slightly smaller one. Okay, what we're here to show you is how to fold this up. So, with all pop-ups, doesn't matter what they are, you bring the hoops together, okay? Some slightly differently fold, but in practice, this is what you need to do. Now, when you've got these things to get into one place, pick it up and drop it on its end. Now, don't worry, just put your foot on that. These will always want to go where you don't want it to go. If this is what already wanted to go like this, don't let it, control it. Keep your hand solid, okay? Work your way around here, pull this down, stand on this, right, pull that down, tuck it in, and these hoops here where your hand is, half of them go there, this half go there, okay? Bring it down, take your foot off, and there you have it, okay? Remember, grab all the hoops together, put it on its end, don't let it want to twist, bring it down, and one hand over the other, push it in, okay? That will go back in to this bag. Okay, we've got a rubber strap on there, but I'm actually going to put this up and pitch it. That's Sensible Steve Tips in beautiful sunny South Godstone.